Hi guys, it's me Ava, and today I'm going to be doing a how to draw video. You're going to need paper and all your colors. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a cat, and I really like to try my best. I'm going to be trying to draw it this way though. Guys, you'll probably be seeing things upside down, but it's alright. So the first thing you're going to do is, here's my paper, and the first thing you do is you're going to take your pencil or whatever. If your pencil needs sharpening, you can sharpen it. So my pencil is sharpened. So now, first thing we're going to draw is we're going to draw like a, so I'll draw it and then I'll just like put it up. So we're going to draw a circle. We're going to draw a cat and a cup. So the first thing you need to draw is this circle that looks like this. Alright? Do you see the circle? Alright. Next thing you're going to do, to make it look realistic, so I'll show you. You see that I erased that side of the head and then that side of the head? Well, we're going to draw ears in those two empty spaces, so go. There's our ears. If you notice, it kind of looks like the ears are twitching. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the inside of the ear. We'll just draw a little triangle inside. This. You guys should have that. I'll give you a second to draw it. Alright. If you guys need more time, you can just pause the video and then draw it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the eyes. So you draw a circle and a circle. Draw two circles. If you want it to be a boy, then you don't have to draw eyelashes. If you want it to be a girl, you can draw eyelashes. And at the end of the video, you can add details to it. Like you can add a little bow. I think I might add a bow at the end. Or you could add a collar. The next thing you're going to do is add 1, 2, 1, 2. You see how I added those like details in the eyes, and it gives it the like texture. You just do like this swoop right there and the swoop down there, and the same. Next, we're gonna color those two center parts in. You don't have to thank me because I'm a professional drawer. I actually try my best to draw. Last time I drew like a really good picture last night, and it was like a cat, but I haven't drew a cat in a cup before. My sister has. It's really cute. So now it should look like this. The eyes should be colored in like that. We're working on drawing the head right now. Got that done. Next, we're going to draw some eyelashes. Well, at least I am. I feel like every cat needs eyelashes. There's the little eyelashes. And next, we're going to draw a little triangle nose. You just draw a little triangle in the center. Next, we're going to draw two little happy face. And then I'm going to draw a little tongue. If you will give me a second to draw this. Your cat should look like that. Next, we're going to draw the whiskers. I'm sure you all know how to draw whiskers. This is how I draw my whiskers. Okay, next we're going to erase this because it looks really realistic. So you erase that part erase that part right there on the chin. And then we're going to draw half of the body, because the rest of the body is going to be in the cup, remember that. And then I'll draw a little collar. The lighting is really bad. Here's my collar, so you want it to look like that, because the other side is going to be in the cup. So next we're going to draw the cup. We're going to erase that. So we're going to draw the cup. So we draw nobody draws perfect, just remember that. So that's the cup shape. And you're going to erase this. It should look like this. And I'm going to add the T handle. And I'm just going to add some like little swirlies on the cup so it looks realistic. Like that. So next, we're going to draw two little paws sticking out. One little paw. Two little paw. Draw those two little paws sticking out. That looks really cute, doesn't it? Okay, then we're going to draw the ground. The last part is we're going to color it in. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a little bow. This is my cat, and I added a little bow if you don't notice. So, and that's the ground. So now if you give me a second to color this in, that would be great. So I think I'm going to color my cat in. I'm going to make it like a little purple color. Like a rainbow little kitty. I'll just talk to you guys while I'm coloring this in. It's going to be a rainbow kitty. So half of it's going to be a color and then the other is going to be different colors. It's a rainbow cat. You all might think that rainbow cats don't exist, but in my opinion, they do. Rainbow cats exist, like I think they do. Because we all agree cats are different colors, so why can't they be rainbow? It's the rainbow cat. I named it the rainbow cat. So I'm just going to try to hurry up so you guys don't have to sit here. And while I'm coloring this in, you guys can pause the video and start coloring in yours. And then we'll both see each other's pictures. So make sure you comment down below though, like make sure you comment, send a picture in the comments and tell me how you colored it in, because I'm really curious to know how you guys colored. And hope sure you subscribe, because we really need subscribers. We don't really have that much subscribers. But I really tried to keep it simple, and I'm really trying to make as much videos as I can today so that you guys will stay happy and enjoy your beautiful lives. Enjoy your beautiful lives. Because, you know, you guys are amazing people, and thank you so much for watching our videos. We really enjoy and appreciate this, and we really love what you guys are doing for us. And yeah, thank you. Just I want to keep on saying thank you. And guys, by the way, my cat is almost done. It looks really good. It's like a rainbow little kitty. And you guys, you can draw your cat however you want. You don't even have to copy this. I just try to make my cat rainbow. You can color it in differently, but once I show you the cat, you'll be like, wow, that's really cute, Ava. And yeah, and you inspire us so much. And so you guys, I'm going to be done in like 30 seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Done! This is my cat, isn't it? Don't tell me it's cute. It's cute. Isn't it cute? So you can you guys can add as much as you want to your kitty, and I just like my kitty the way it is, and I like all of your drawings just the way it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Bye. Bye. Peace out, y'all. Woo!